Hello guys, welcome to Go with Godot channel. Today we going add some functionality to our main menu. Let's start coding. First thing we need to do reference nodes to our code. For referencing node to script, just drag and drop like on video. I input variable names as a main menu, join menu, and host menu. You can put anything you want. After doing, let's code what happens when we press buttons. For this, click button you want and go to signals, and select pressed, and chose script you want to connect. For me it is main menu level script, so I am connecting to main menu level script. And let's code what happens if I press host button. So let's type main menu dot hide. This code hide our main menu, but we need to show our host menu. For this let's type host menu dot show, and this is it. Now let's repeat same process for join button. So you can see, instead of typing host menu dot show, I am typing join menu dot show. For quit game button, let's connect to button to our script and type get tree quit. With this our quit button ready. Let's add what happens when we press back to main menu. So let's find button and connect to script. And let's type host menu dot hide, and we need to show join menu. So let's type main menu dot show. Let's make same thing for back from join menu. Finally let's fix node blend issue. So let's add underscore ready function to our script. And let's type main menu dot show, and host menu dot hide, and join menu dot hide, and this is it. Now we have main menu that works. Now we are ready to make multiplayer stuff. In next tutorial, we are going to host and join game. And there is any issue with tutorial, you can join Discord server. Before going, please consider to subscribe.